Instagram photo change. So if you want to change your photo on Instagram, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. And if you want to change your photo on Instagram, which could also potentially be your profile photo or anything like that, it's actually quite very simple. After you come to your profile page, just tap on the edit profile button that you can see. Now tap on edit picture or avatar button. As you do that, you can see it will give me a pop-up to add my avatar to my profile picture, but I will select not now. Then after that, I can tap on edit picture, select new profile picture option here, and then I can simply choose a new profile that I want to add instead of it. Once I've selected the new profile, so let me just go ahead and select another one here. Once I've done that, all I need to do is just tap the next button, then tap on the next option right here, and then I'll be able to successfully change my Instagram photo. This way I'll be able to change my photo on Instagram. I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.